Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert this Microsoft Word document here into PDF. Yes. So for instance, you want it to send to somebody, and we want to convert it. How do you go about convert it? Because sometimes when you send these Microsoft Word document, and sometimes when the person get it, it actually, the font size change, what you wanted to convert it. First, you want to come right up here where the tab is, you notice to your left. You click convert file right here to the left hand corner right here. Notice if you see bring up this blue screen where it will say info, new, open, save as right here. You know, so save as PDF. Alright, there's a print. You notice right here you can share as Adobe PDF. Alright, there's export. So I'm going to click right here and export. If you notice right here, it's a create, right? PDF, right? As you know, it's a create PDF document. Just the same right here. So now I click on it, you notice I'm going to come right here and click. And definitely, if you notice right here, show your PDF. So I'm going to come right here. I want to save it directly on the desktop. So I want to click here on the desktop, and then I'm going to come right down here. Notice the word publish. I'm going to click right there. I'm going to minimize this particular one right here. Right, and this is a the document that we just created. Notice it actually open it up for us so far. It actually showed exactly. So this is a PDF document. Definitely that we actually just created right here. Very important. So that's how we create that Microsoft Word document right here into PDF. So we're going to close it, bring it back on Microsoft Word document. So remember, like, share, and subscribe.